Today, we are discussing the top 5 reasons why plant leaves turn yellow. The first and most common reason is actually completely natural. As a plant grows, it focuses its energy on new leaves and branches. To do this, the plant deliberately stops sending nutrients to the oldest leaves. This is the plant way of cleaning old leaves to ensure the new growth will be healthy. How to tell if it is natural or a problem? Look closely at your plant. If you notice that only a few leaves at the very bottom are turning yellow and other part looks green and healthy, this is natural aging. You do not need to worry, and your plant is doing just fine. However, if you see yellowing in different patterns, which I will explain next, then you need to take action immediately to save your plant. Reason 2, nitrogen deficiency. And to understand the second reason related to nitrogen deficiency, take a look at these leaves. You will notice they have a pale green or washed out yellowish color, and almost all the leaves are showing the same pattern. If you see this across your plant, it means it is not getting enough nitrogen. Without enough nitrogen, the plant cannot grow its leaves properly or maintain its deep green color. And plant leaf shows this pattern. If your plant matches this pattern, you should review and fix the nitrogen levels in your soil. Adding a nitrogen-rich fertilizer will help your plant get its strength and cover back. Reason 3, phosphorus deficiency. And to understand the third reason, look closely at the pattern on these leaves. You will notice that, while the leaves are still green, they have developed purple spots or dark patches. Most of the leaves will show this same pattern, which is a mix of green with distinct purple coloring. If you see this on your plant, it means it is lacking phosphorus nutrient in soil. Without enough phosphorus, the plant starts to accumulate too much glucose in its leaves, which causes that purple tint. What to do if your plant shows these purple spots? You should feed it a phosphorus-rich fertilizer immediately to help it recover and stay healthy. Reason 4, potassium deficiency. And to understand the fourth reason, look at the pattern on these leaves. You will see that while the leaves are still mostly green, but they have developed dark black spots in various areas. You notice this consistent pattern of green leaves with black spots across your plant. It means it is lacking potassium nutrients. Without enough potassium, the plant cannot properly develop its leaf tissues, and leaves parts looks damaged in such type of black spots. What to do? If you see these black spots on your plant leaves, you should apply a potassium-rich fertilizer to repair damage and protect the plant. Reason 5, magnesium deficiency. And to understand the fifth reason, look closely at this leaf pattern. You will notice that the veins of the leaves are still dark green, but the area around the veins has turned light green or yellow. This pattern is consistent across many leaves, and the light green areas may slowly start to dry up. If you see this pattern on your plant leaves, it means your plant is not getting enough magnesium. Without magnesium, the plant cannot produce chlorophyll, which is essential for the process of photosynthesis. Because the plant cannot create energy from sunlight properly, the leaf tissues begin to fail and get damaged. What to do? If your plant shows these green veins with light green edges, you should provide a magnesium-rich fertilizer. This will help the plant restart its photosynthesis process and maintain proper growth. So friends, these were the top 5 reasons why the plant leaves turn yellow. I wish this information will help you. And for any query, please write us in comment box and we will answer you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.